Today we'll be building the Rowena rocker. We'll be using a double for the purposes of the build video, but it only differs by having 3 frames instead of 2. With your Rowena kit, you'll receive a pair of frames, 3 if it's a double, 3 back battens, and 35 slats. In addition, you'll get a pair of wedges and a bag of fixings. With the Rowena kits, you'll receive a certain number of fixings. With a double, you'll get 123. With a single, you get 82, and you'll receive a torque drive as well. Stand the 3 frames face down like you can see in the video. Make sure that the outer 2 frames have their screws facing inwards. Place one of the plain back battens into the middle pre-cut slots, making sure it is flush with the edges before screwing it in. Copy the same process for the lower part of the Rowena, again using one of the plain back battens, and finally repeat this for the top part using the back batten with the Pepe garden furniture logo on it. Now we start off with the seating battens. The central screws are the way we start. Make sure when you start off that the screw hole is exactly aligned with the middle of the central frame, and also check that there is an even overhang at the end of each pass. Now we proceed to cover the whole seat either side of this first fixed batten. At each pass, make sure the overhangs line up evenly. We now continue this process either side of the starting point until the whole chair is finished. Pepe garden furniture is pressure treated. This process can leave batten marks as you see here, but they weather in over time. We recommend that you use the furniture protector provided with every kit in half litre, 1 litre or 2.5 litre tins, depending on the size of the item. This should be applied every 2 to 3 years, depending on exposure, evenly to the outside. Concentrate a little bit more on the end grains and the end of the legs for this darker finish. So there you have it. Your Rowena rocker is now complete, and all you need to do now is sit back and relax.